Dear students and friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am discussing the some important 7th class science chapter number 6 exercise question answers, that is physical and chemical changes. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ತರಗತಿಗೆ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಈ ಒಂದು ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 6 ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಈ ಘಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಎಕ್ಸೈಜ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸನ್ನು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇದುವರೆಗೆ ತಾವು ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗದಿದ್ದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನ ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪದೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಒತ್ತಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಟಿಫೈ ಆಗೋದ ಮೂಲಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳು ದೊರೆತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಈಗ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಈ ಘಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಕ್ಸೈಜ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Physical and chemical changes. First question, classify the changes involved in the following processes as physical or chemical changes. First one, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, it is a chemical change. Second one, dissolving sugar in water, it is physical change. Booming of coal, booming is always chemical change. Melting of wax, physical change. Beating aluminum to make aluminum foil, physical change. Digestion of food, chemical change. Next question number 2. State whether the following statements are true or false. In case a statement is false, write the correct statement in your notebook. Cutting a log of wood into pieces is a chemical change. This statement is false. Cutting a log of wood into pieces is a physical change. Second one, formation of manure from leaves is a physical change. This statement is false because formation of manure from leaves is a chemical change. Third one, iron pipes coated with zinc do not get rusted easily. This statement is true. Iron and rust are the same substances. This statement is false. Iron and rust are different substances. Rust is iron oxide, Fe2O3. Next, condensation of steam is not a chemical change. This statement is true. Main question number 3, fill in the blanks in the following statements. When carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, it turns milky due to the formation of dash. Right answer, due to the formation of calcium carbonate, CaCO3. Second one, the chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3. Third one, two methods by which rusting of iron can be prevented are dash and dash. Right answer, galvanization and painting. Fourth one, changes in which only physical properties of a substance change are called dash physical changes. Changes in which new substances are formed are called dash changes chemical changes. Question number 4, when baking soda is mixed with lemon juice, bubbles are formed with the evaluation of a gas. What type of change is it? Explain. Right answer. When baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate is mixed with lemon juice, citric acid, bubbles are formed. The bubbles are formed due to the evaluation of carbon dioxide gas. This is a chemical change. In this change, citric acid contained in lemon juice reacts with sodium hydrogen carbonate, which results in the evaluation of carbon. Lemon juice plus baking soda goes to carbon dioxide plus other substances. Question number 5, when a candle burns with physical and chemical changes takes place, identify these changes. Give another example of a familiar process in which both the chemical and physical changes take place. Right answers. When baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate is mixed with lemon juice, bubbles are formed. The bubbles are formed due to the evaluation of carbon dioxide gas. This is a chemical change. In this change, citric acid contained in lemon juice reacts with sodium hydrogen carbonate, which results in the evaluation of carbon dioxide gas. Lemon juice, citric acid plus baking soda goes to carbon dioxide plus other substances. Eating of food is another example where both physical and chemical changes occur simultaneously. Physical change, breaking down of larger food particles into smaller particles. Chemical change, digestion of food. Question number 6, how would you show that setting up curd is a chemical change? Right answer. Once the curd is formed, milk cannot be reobtained from it. Also, both milk and curd have different properties since these are the properties of chemical change. Setting up curd is a chemical change. Question number 7, explain which booming of wood and cutting it into small pieces are considered as two different type of changes. Right answer. When we burn wood, a new substance, coal, is formed, therefore it is a chemical change. However, when we cut wood, only the shape and size of the wood are changed. No new substance is formed, therefore is it a physical change. Describe how crystals of copper sulfate are prepared. Right answer. Crystal of copper sulfate are prepared by the method of crystallization. The process is as follows. A cupful of water is taken in a beaker. Few drops of dilute sulfuric acid are added to this. The water is then heated, and when it starts boiling, copper sulfate powder is added. With stirring, copper sulfate powder should be added on it. The solution becomes saturated. It is then filtered into a china dish and allowed to cool. The solution should be kept undisturbed. Slowly the crystal of copper sulfate separate out. Next question, question number 9. Explain how painting of an iron gate prevent it from rusting. Right answer. Rusting is added by both moisture and air. By painting an iron gate, we prevent its contact from the air and moisture present in the atmosphere, hence rusting is prevented. Question number 10. An aerobic bacteria digest animal waste and produce biogas. The biogas is then burned as fuel. The following statement pertain to these changes. Choose the correct one. Process A is a chemical change. Process B is a chemical change. Both process A and B are chemical changes. None of these processes is a chemical change. Right answer. Both processes A and B are chemical changes. Dear students, if you have any doubts in this chapter, exercise question answers, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.